we're going to do the February
We're
body
back.
box.
We're back.
They probably haven't seen the last one because it goes with a different channel.
Oh.
So we might not be back. Anyway,
No, I meant from the video we literally just finished.
yeah, that goes on a different channel, dude.
I know, well, okay. Well, they should all link together because we're lovely and you should just... You want to
Maybe
see.
I'll just put this on my...
Maybe we should just have our own channel as well. That's
Yeah.
our own and rename it.
The
our
Lumen Tour
videos,
show
Lumen
or
Tour
something crazy. So this is themed on llamas, and I've taken one of the postcards out. Hang on, I'm going to have to show them quickly. It's up there. Can you see it? It's got all the llamas pyjamas.
Oh, it's gone. No, you were up there. It just went like that.
Oh, hello.
Oh.
Sorry, I wanted to show them. Oh no, I made
Now
that
you put
moisturising.
makeup on the camera.
Are we good now? Are we good? Oh,
We've
I have made
we've
you
got a
bit
little bit
moisturising.
of a lens flare going on, haven't we? There we are.
Are we good?
We're good.
Yeah.
It's quite sparkly in the background.
We're good. We're good. So, llama themes.
We're doing it for Christmas because we could have gone la 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 ma. So here we have got
I just had
fortifying
this.
green bath potion.
If
We love
you
a potion
read
in the
my
bath.
blog, I actually just had a giveaway of this stuff on my blog. It's absolutely incredible. I don't have a bath.
I know, right? I do.
Yeah, so Tor will be getting this one.
Yeah, if you're giving one away, it's only fair.
Yeah, it is really, really good
So,
too.
magic. De-stress the mind and relieve aches and pains with this concentrated, revitalising magical bath potion. It smells...
And this is a glass bottle too. I absolutely
Yes.
love
It's in glass.
Magic Organic Apothecary. That was easy to say.
That was,
Magic
wasn't it?
Organic Apothecary. It's one of my favourite brands.
Organic
Their green
Apothecary.
balm. It's heavenly. Anyway, let's just concentrate
Moving on.
So yeah, that is what we have there.
What's inside the box? We have
Well,
got
this tells you.
the Make Arcade, a llama keyring.
Which is
so
really
cute.
You know, when you're anxious, I think that having something to do like that is really, really good.
And we've shown these before, and they all come. This one doesn't come cut out. You have to cut it out yourself. That's fine.
Let's have a quick.
It's
squiggle
got a.
here.
It's got a
Have a look. See
a
what's in there.
template.
There's all
Need to
your
cut
little
it out.
sewing bits and pieces.
That's
Oh,
what you have to cut round to make sure you get the right shape.
here's your little needles and your felt.
And your stuffing to stuff your llama.
That's really cute.
It's cute.
Do you know what? I bet you Lissy will pinch this if she sees it. I'm going to hide it.
Hide it away.
I kind of want to make it
We'll make
myself.
it together on
Yeah.
a Thursday, shall we?
Do you know
Make
what
a
I'm
llama kit.
excited about in this
I like the paper.
I know, it's lovely,
And the
isn't it?
paper with llamas
Look
on.
at this conscious water.
Oh.
So it's a water enhancer. Oh. With a hint of lychee rose flavour. Oh. I'm really interested to try this. So you take a deep breath, blend the package in half
Half a pint.
No, hang on, let me put my brain on and I'll try again.
Oh, so why do you
Try
need to
again.
take a deep breath before?
Take a deep breath.
Okay.
I don't know. Bend the package in half and squeeze the contents into a personal water bottle or 250 ml of glass, a 250 ml glass of water. Stir and enjoy your aspiration. And also, this is from Godalming in Surrey, which is a little bit near where I used to live.
Yeah.
Not too far away.
Look. Oh, lychee rose flavour. That's
I know.
delicious.
I know.
That's going to be so yummy.
I know.
And then here we've got You're the Llama's Pyjamas sticker pack. So you can stick
I've never
those.
seen that.
You're the Llama's Pyjamas.
I might put those on my laptop.
Yeah. That'd be good
Gonna
little
lie,
laptop
probably
stickers.
will.
Yeah.
I'll open them now, shall I? Let's have a look.
And there's
I think
your
it's a turtle.
Blurt zine.
Yeah,
but as
they're cute,
well-
they're little magazines.
Yeah, they are nice. And this one's got lots of llamas. Are they on the moon?
Oh,
No.
oh,
Llamas on the
oh, I
moon.
love these.
What's that one say?
Life isn't a race. You get to set the pace.
You do. It isn't a race.
And then this one is You're the Llama's Pyjamas. And then this one is Self-Kindness Squad. I absolutely love
Oh, I
squads.
love that one, and that's what actually
Yeah.
is. If you've seen it before, no, I'm a Weight Watchers coach, and with Valentine's Day yesterday, we've been talking a little bit about this self-kindness and actually how really it is about a bit of self-love, really. Surely, don't laugh. I knew you were going to laugh at that. I knew I was going to make you laugh.
It's
That's
really
not what I
important
mean.
to practice self-love, I feel like.
It is.
Dude, it's raining. Look at the
Just
weather
said
now.
that it's raining again. Honestly,
Yeah,
all the
listening.
weather. All the weather.
We're having everything today. I wonder what time snow will happen. Oh. Anyway.
Anyway, I came over in my slippers, so I'm here for a while. And then the last book is
drink.
Be You, Believe in Yourself book. And this is, do you ever wish you had more confidence in your abilities? Do you sometimes have negative thoughts comparing yourself to others? Have you ever been afraid to speak up because you don't think your opinion is valid?
We're recording a video. Have you come to see what's for lunch? I knew it! I was just saying that earlier. Literally just saying, what would you do? What would I do if you weren't home for lunch any day?
Turns out he comes to find me.
I'd make my own.
You would.
Seeing as
You
you're
make
home
your
and
own.
the kids are around.
I've had soup. The girls have had soup and sandwiches as
It's
well.
too funny.
Right,
And
so
I
I'll
just
get
said,
him-
do you
Is that
think I'll
right?
just go hungry?
No. Food motivated. Look at
Dude,
mine.
I've lost one of my stickers. I've lost the sloth one. I've lost it.
It's in here still.
I haven't lost it. She stole it. The little bum.
So anyway, this book is a lovely book. It's really beautifully coloured inside and really easy to read. It's one of those books where you don't have to sit and start reading it at the beginning and keep going till the end.
Yeah, just
You
dip in.
pick it up, dip in where you want, believe you can, and you're halfway there. I say that all the time.
Oh, that's
With-
really nice.
Yeah, so whether you believe you can or you believe you can't, you're right.
I'm so interested to try this. I'm not going to lie. I'm really excited. Should I go and get some water? Hold my dandelion, I think it is.
Chicory. No?
I don't know. Have a sip. I think it might be dandelion.
I'm good. It's got milk substitute in. So, oh no, that's not from that box. So, the Blurt box. How much is a subscription for
I
the
think
Blurt
it's
box?
around about $24.99.
$24.99.
maybe. Or it's around about. It's under the £25 mark.
And
Which
this book's
I
£8.99.
think is expensive,
Um,
personally.
I said that
Here,
it isn't one of the.
So, read out all the bits individually.
Okay, so the Make Your Llama keyring is $5.95. The Llama's Pyjama stickers are $4.95. Believe in Yourself book is $8.99. The bath potion is £4. This lovely cup of water is £1.50. And issue 17 of the Blurtzine, which you don't get anywhere. You can't buy that in the shops. And you can a little
This is like
postcard.
an oil. I love it. Look
It
at how
is-
it goes
it
into the
looks-
water.
It looks ever so pretty. That's a beautiful glass you've got there, Luann.
Yes, my best
Found
friend
it.
found it from a hotel in Windsor.
So, remote.
Were you into Windsor that day?
I went through Windsor.
Oh.
I think
Slough
it needs
Windsor
a
are
bit of
very
a stir.
different. Yeah, it does. I'll get a spoon.
It just
I'll take
tastes
a
of
yo-yo.
water on the top. So, I'm not sure this is 200ml either, is it?
I think it's probably more.
You reckon?
Yeah. Also, I like squash kind of a bit stronger than normal. What's it like?
Tastes, yeah, fruity. Innit? I forgot to take a deep breath, so I don't know if I got the full effect.
Oh, it's really mild, but I really love it. I wonder what's in it. Oh, we should probably
Light
end our
cheese?
video. Okay, thanks, Dan.
Bye.
Bye.